Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Mariola, and I am the cross country coach at Green Hope High School. I just completed my 20th year in this position, and my contact information is right there, my email address. So feel free if you have any questions or if anyone is interested in signing up for the fall 2021 season to shoot me an email. There's also the team website. We have all kinds of interesting information on there. You can go back and find meet results, and for many, really for all 20 years that I've been there, and all kinds of team records and team accomplishments and all of that. And also throughout, especially throughout the season, I'll be tweeting at that Twitter handle. So plenty of information there if you are interested. You can see our list of accomplishments. We're pretty proud of what we've been able to do out on the cross country course. Our runners have had quite a bit of success, and you can see we've had 54 runners also go on to compete at the college level. The Green Hope Cross Country program has developed a reputation over the years for being a very large program. We annually have around 200, 220 runners total, which makes us one of the biggest athletic teams in the United States. It has been something that has become pretty popular, and runners, kids seem to get a lot out of it. So we encourage anybody to come out for the team. Don't be scared. Don't shy away. Don't be scared off. Even if you had not run a lot, there's always been a place for somebody, for everybody there, I should say. And so if you're at all interested in anything to learn about Green Hope Cross Country, shoot me an email. We'll be taking signups officially really in May. If you are planning to come to Green Hope in the fall and interested in the cross country team, though, send me an email anytime, and I can get you on our email list and send you more information. Optional workouts always begin in June. Obviously, this past year was very, very different, but we are hoping that this coming June we'll be back to normal and running optional workouts and weekday mornings at Pond Park. The regular season will begin on August 2nd, and August 2nd through middle of October for most runners, and through early November for our top 7 boys and top 7 girls. So the season really isn't that far away, and we really are proud of what we've been able to accomplish for Green Hope Cross Country, but even more so than our success, we've been able to give people many hundreds, thousands of runners over the years a place that they can really feel comfortable and develop as young men and women. And so again, shoot me an email. We can't wait to get things going and get signups going for next season, and really hoping we get back to normal and we can get another 200 or so boys and girls out there having a good time and being part of something special. So thank you very much, and let me know if you have any questions.